Hello lovely people. I hope your day has been a great one. We apologize for our absence. It's been more than a year since our last post. Due to circumstances beyond our control, we were held back. By the grace of God, we are back and so excited to be sharing this project with you. This design is suitable for a young adult who cherishes privacy, and it is designed specifically to make one feel at home. This compact one-bedroom house plan features a delightful living space, an exquisite master's bedroom, an enchanting kitchen, an efficient utility space and a lavish bathroom. This design is aimed at making one feel at ease, and it is on a low budget too. Spanning an area of 63 square meters, the building has an expected construction cost of $18,900. Mind you, with the apparent rise in the cost of construction materials, it may differ depending on your location. This is only an estimate to give you a fair idea. The layout of the ground floor plan with its floor areas are as follows. The entrance terrace, a living area, a kitchen, utility space, a master's bedroom, washroom. We will take a walk through the living room. We will take a walk through the kitchen. We will take a walk through the master's bedroom. We will take a walk through the utility. We will take a walk through the washroom. Thanks so much for watching this video till the end. Kindly click on the videos on your screen to watch other amazing videos on this channel. We are so thankful for all our subscribers, the likes and comments on our videos. Please, we will kindly get back to all who have questions. We will see you in the next one.